Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube video. This is a Realme XT, the newest phone available 64 MB quad camera, a VOOC flash 3.0, pearl white color. This is an 8GB 128GB version. Now let's unbox it. Now opening the box. Quite hard to open. Let's open from this side. Oh, it's sealed there. Let's break the seal. Now let's open the phone. This is the Realme start guide. Let's keep it aside. And next we get the phone, the new phone. Let's keep it also aside. Let's check what is other there in the box. Just a piece of transparent piece of a VOOC flash charger. Pretty looking. The VOOC cable, fast charging. You can see that. Now onto this box. Now on this box we get the transparent cover here, the kickstart guide, Realme, warranty cards, and a kickstart guide about all the information about the phone. These are all the accessory things you get with this phone. Now let's move on to this phone. Opening the phone. This is a piece of transparent cover. Let's open it. Now let's switch on the phone. Realme. It's quite glossy on the look. It's the pearl white color. A 64 MB camera, 8 MB camera, 2 and a 2 quad camera. It's booting up. Quite fun to look. Selecting language, English. Next. Connector, we can connect to Wi-Fi later. Skip. Terms of use, continue. Now fingerprint, and we can set all the fingerprint passwords. That we can do later. Skip. Wi-Fi assistant, software updates. Imported that we can set up a new Realme phone. All the applications. Welcome. Color OS 6. Set experiencing. Now this is a phone, the ready phone. Now moving on to settings. Let's move on to settings, where we can find the settings up there. Settings. Going to about the phone. Android version 9. 8GB RAM, 120. In the 128GB we get 115 GB free. And these are about the phone. It is Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor. This is about the phone. It is available just 19,000 rupees in Flipkart and also other stores. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.